Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Twitter X password reset not working, email, SMS and account recovery fix. Fix 1 is force a clean browser environment. Close all active tabs displaying X or Twitter. Open a new incognito or private window. Navigate directly to the official X password reset portal. Enter a username, registered email or phone number. Second fix is clear corrupted site data. Go to browser setting, then select privacy and security. Click on cookies and other site data. Click on see all site data and permission. Type x.com and twitter.com into the search bar, then click delete remove for both sites. Restart your browser and try again. Third fix is remove network blocks and extension. Completely turn off any active VPN or proxy connection, then disable strict browser extensions such as ad blockers, pop-up blocker or script manager. Switch your device from Wi-Fi to mobile data to clear local router blocks. Fourth fix is check for email delivery issue. Check spam, junk and promotion folder for missing email. Search inbox for email for @twitter.com or x.com. Some domains may filter automated X emails. If issues persist, wait an hour and try the SMS or phone number reset option. Fifth fix is handle temporary account locks. Close all X related applications, then wait for exactly 1 hour without logging in. After 1 hour, attempt to sign in at Xlog using your credential. Sixth fix is submit an official support ticket. Navigate to the manual X account access form, then select the option I need to regain access to my X account. Then choose I forget my password, then complete the required identification field. Escalate your ticket to an agent. Thanks for watching.